Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to make your banking experience smoother. Ever wondered if you can cash checks at Wells Fargo ATMs? It's a common question, and today we're here to give you the answer. Well, I've got some good news for you. Yes, you absolutely can. Wells Fargo ATMs are equipped to handle check deposits efficiently. Wells Fargo ATMs make cashing checks a breeze. Here's how it works, step by step, so you can do it with confidence. First, insert your Wells Fargo debit card into the ATM and enter your PIN. This ensures that your account is secure and ready for the transaction. Next, select the option for depositing checks. The interface is user-friendly, guiding you through each step. Simply insert your check, no envelope needed. The ATM will take care of the rest. The ATM scans your check, counts your bills, and displays the totals right on the screen. Super convenient, right? This technology ensures accuracy and speed. You get a chance to review and adjust the amounts if needed. This step is crucial to ensure everything is correct before finalizing the deposit. Once you're satisfied, confirm the deposit. The ATM will process your check and update your account balance. And voila, your check is deposited without any hassle. Need a receipt? You can even request printed images of your checks on it. This feature is great for keeping detailed records. This way, you have a clear record of your transactions. It's that simple and efficient. No more lines, no more waiting. You can avoid the hassle of going inside the bank and waiting for a teller. Wells Fargo ATMs are available 24/7, so you can cash your checks anytime it suits you. Whether it's early morning or late at night, the ATM is always ready to assist. So next time you need to deposit a check, just head over to a Wells Fargo ATM. Quick, easy, and hassle-free. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more handy tips. See you next time. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.